PioCreat, creating more possibilities in the world of 3D printing. PioCreat, an innovation-driven company from China with a global impact. As the first manufacturer in China specializing in pellet 3D printers, our products have reached 76 countries worldwide. By revolutionizing additive manufacturing technology and its applications, we're dedicated to bridging the gap between creativity and implementation. Let's take a look at one of our star products, G40. It's a bridge that turns dreams into reality. It is designed with both efficiency and innovation in mind, perfectly addressing the aerospace industry's need for precise parts or the automotive industry's demand for complex models with surprising speed and accuracy. More importantly, it offers a platform for designers and engineers to explore the impossible, making what seemed out of reach achievable. Every detail of this machine is meticulously crafted to enhance its versatility and adaptability, allowing it to transcend the boundaries of multiple industries and become an indispensable partner for innovators designed for innovators who seek both excellence and speed. The G12 is known for its stable performance and rapid printing capability, while ensuring quality, it significantly improves production efficiency. Whether it's complex mechanical components or delicate artistic creations, the G12 faithfully reproduces the designer's intentions, bringing every detail of creation vividly to life. The precision and efficiency of the G12 are exactly what users in the current market who pursue innovative and high-performance solutions need. The G5 Ultra almost symbolizes a new era, embodying our visions and creativity for the future of 3D printing. Equipped with advanced technology and broad material support, the G5 Ultra can easily handle various challenging tasks, opening new vistas for product design and manufacturing. It has not only changed perceptions of 3D printing but also brought transformation to the industry, promoting the development of new production methods and design thinking. The G5 Ultra, with its innovative spirit, offers unparalleled possibilities and potential to creators around the world. Through PioCreat's technological innovation, we are not just manufacturing products, we are creating the future. It is this spirit of constant exploration and breakthrough that allows us to face various challenges and turn imagination into tangible, innovative results. Whether in the fields of aerospace, automotive manufacturing, or broader industries and arts, PioCreat's 3D printing technology plays a pivotal role in unleashing creative value. We believe there are endless possibilities waiting for us to explore and realize in the future.